We're shooting the last drill of the day here because the weather's starting to get a lot worse and I don't want to catch a cold. We're going to be shooting a half test with the Glock 48 from concealment. Right now, I've got no fresh targets up, so I'm going to be shooting my least shot target, which would be our bottom V8 here on this target stand as the target stand is trying to fly away. We're going to shoot this real fast, so 5 seconds, 5 yards, and I've got to get everything there on the target. See how we do. Okay, and that's me all out of bullets there. We shot that in 482, and it looks like the only round we had that kept out of the black was this one here on the 8, so that's a 98 from what I can see there. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay dry.